Welcome back to another comprehensive review session of EveryDollar. EveryDollar is a budgeting app developed by Ramsey Solutions, the financial education company founded by Dave Ramsey. Launched in 2015, EveryDollar aims to help users create and manage a zero-based budget, where every dollar is assigned a specific purpose. The app is designed to simplify budgeting and promote better financial habits by making it easy to track income and expenses. Using EveryDollar. Dashboard Overview. The main dashboard provides an overview of your budget, showing your total income, total expenses, and remaining balance. Users can quickly access different budget categories, add transactions, and view spending insights. Adding transactions. To track spending, users must manually enter transactions. To add a transaction, go to the Transactions section. Enter the transaction amount, date, and category. Optionally, add a note or split the transaction across multiple categories. Tracking progress. EveryDollar provides visual representations of your budget progress, helping you see how much you've spent in each category and how much remains. The app uses color coding to indicate categories that are on track or overspent. Security and privacy. Data encryption. EveryDollar uses industry-standard encryption to protect user data and ensure secure transactions. Privacy policy. EveryDollar adheres to a strict privacy policy, ensuring that user data is not sold or shared with third parties without consent. Advanced features. EveryDollar Plus. EveryDollar offers a premium version called EveryDollar Plus, which includes additional features such as bank account syncing, automatically import transactions from your bank account. Priority support, access to faster customer support response times. Financial planning resources. EveryDollar provides access to various financial planning resources, including articles, podcasts, and tools from Dave Ramsey and Ramsey Solutions. Goal setting. Users can set financial goals within the app, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt. The app helps track progress towards these goals. Advantages of EveryDollar. Zero-based budgeting. EveryDollar's focus on zero-based budgeting helps users allocate every dollar of their income, promoting disciplined spending and saving. User-friendly interface. The app's clean and intuitive interface makes it easy for users to navigate and manage their finances. Educational resources. EveryDollar provides access to a wealth of financial education resources from Dave Ramsey and Ramsey Solutions, helping users improve their financial literacy. Limitations and challenges. Manual entry of transactions. The free version of EveryDollar requires manual entry of transactions, which can be time-consuming for users. Limited free features. Some of EveryDollar's most useful features, such as bank account syncing, are only available in the paid EveryDollar Plus version. Conclusion. EveryDollar remains a reliable and effective budgeting app in 2024, offering a straightforward approach to managing money through zero-based budgeting. Its user-friendly interface and access to educational resources make it a valuable tool for individuals looking to take control of their finances. That wraps up our detailed review of EveryDollar. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.